Hello everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On today's ARTlapse, I wanted to go over one of my recent illustrations of Cinni Winni, the sassy magical cat of Magikats. She is one of the main characters, and since we just passed page 50 on the webcomic the other day, woo! That was a big goal for me. I wanted to introduce her character and go over about who she is and how she came to be. So if you aren't familiar with my webcomic Magikats, Magikats, simply put, is about magic, cats, and friendship. Lavender Lovecraft is a young human witch studying under a kooky, crazy cat, Cinni Winni, in the cat kingdom known as Grimalkin Woods. Follow their adventures as they discover the secrets of the land of Cha, the beliefs behind each kingdom, and escape the clutches of eternal night. So Cinni Winni is based on my real life cat, Cinnamon. May she rest in peace. She was my kitten that I got growing up. I got her in 6th grade. She was only 3 months. And I had her until the age of 14. And me and Cinni, we were like two peas in a pod. We were soul sisters. She's like my spirit animal. She was like me in a cat incarnate. But she was so sassy. She'd always talk back to you. She would never let you have the last word. She would always demand food at all times, like all day, every day, begging you for treats because like her dream was to be the fattest cat alive. And like she would, if she was her character in Magikats, like she's all about body positivity, all about indulging yourself and treating yourself honey and ain't taking no shit kind of personality. And yeah, when she passed away, I was like so heartbroken, so distraught. Like Cinni is the queen of my heart, and I was so broken, and I just wanted, she was my baby, you know, growing up. She was my baby, and I didn't want to say goodbye to her, you know. I wanted to keep her alive in the way that I could. And so I just started drawing a character of her. And this story, it started off as like a short story with the idea of making a children's book. And the more I wrote it, and when I worked on my Inktober of it, and this world, it just continued to grow and grow and grow. And that's how Magikats was born, this huge epic saga that I'm working on, this webcomic. And it's Lavender and Cinni, which is basically me and Cinni, and that's how I keep her memory alive. That's how I honor her. That's how I cherish her. This story was born from my love of her. And here's the final illustration. Cinni Winni, the sassy diva of Grimalkin Woods. She's a kooky, crazy cat who always thinks there's time for treats and won't take no for an answer. So go ahead and go to www.magikatscomic.com to start reading along. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you around here later. And remember, you are magical, so shine on!